Welcome to another free Microsoft Access video tutorial brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. My name is Richard Rost. In this lesson, we're going to talk about referential integrity. So here I am in my Access database. Got a bunch of tables, but the only ones I care about right now are my product table and my product category table. The product table has a list of different products, right? Different hard drives, keyboards, memory, and so on. My product category table has a list of categories: hard drives, keyboards, memory, CPUs, etc. Each of my products has a product category associated with it. You can see that right here. For example, these are hard drives, category 1. These are keyboards, category 2, and so on. It's a simple one-to-many relationship. I covered basic table relationships in my Access Expert Level 1 course. Now, if I come in here and delete one of these categories, let's say pointing devices, no problem, because I didn't have any pointing devices in category 5 in the other table. However, if I delete category 2, which is keyboards, you'll see I've got 2 keyboards over here. I'm going to create what's called an orphaned record, which means these keyboards here will not have a valid product category. And since I'm using auto numbers, I can never get that number 2 back. Now that causes a problem in my database, because if I have other queries or combo boxes and forms that are based on that category ID, that category is now gone. So I would like to prevent the user from accidentally deleting the parent if it has any child records in a related table. That's one of the good things that referential integrity can do for your database. Referential integrity is designed to maintain consistency in your table data, and it guarantees that you'll never have any orphaned records like this. You can't add a child that doesn't have a parent. You can't delete a parent that has children. You can't change a parent ID if you're not using auto numbers. And that should never be an issue, because if you follow my teachings, I never use anything but auto numbers for my primary key fields. So how do we set up referential integrity? Well, I'm going to go ahead and close these tables. Let's come up to Database Tools, Relationships. Here's my Relationships window. Now, if you haven't been in here before, you'll see the Show Table window. If it doesn't show up, just click on the Show Table button right there. Add in the tables that you want to form a relationship between. Let's say product category and product table. Now I can close that window. Now we're going to click and drag to form the relationship on our ID fields that are related between both tables. Product category ID over here relates to product category over there, so I click and drag. The Edit Relationships window pops up. This sees we're going to create a one-to-many relationship between category and product. And here's the checkbox right there to enforce referential integrity. That basically says if you've got anything in that category, any products, you can't delete the category until you first delete all the products. Now there are 2 other options down here, and I talk about these in other tutorials: Cascade Update related fields and Cascade Delete related fields. Cascade Delete essentially says if I delete the category, go ahead and automatically delete all the products. That can be dangerous. Again, I talk about that in different tutorials, including my Access Expert Level 2 course. For now, I'm going to leave those off and click Create. Access forms the relationship between those 2 tables. I can now close the Relationships window. Do you want to save the layout? I'll say yes. Now I can open up my product category table, and notice the little plus here. This opens up a sub-data sheet where you can see the products inside the category. And notice if I try to delete keyboards right now, I get a warning message. It says the record cannot be deleted or changed because the table product T includes related records. So Access is preventing you from deleting the parent if it has children. If you found this tutorial helpful, please check out my Access 2010 Expert Level 2 class. This lesson is valid for 2007 as well as 2013. This tutorial covers database table normalization, explicit relationships, referential integrity, cascade updates and deletes like I talked about before, setting values across different forms, and lots more. For more information on that course and for lots more free tutorials just like this one, visit my website at accesslearningzone.com or click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.